In worship moment, and as we're
let the bass walk so tonight we sing to the beautiful King who paints the sunrise with colors no man can hold, who tells the ocean where to stop and where to roll. You speak and mountains listen, you whisper and stars align, yet you still make time for this heart of mine. Beautiful King, how great you are, higher than heaven, closer than my heart. Beautiful King, I'm in awe of you, creator of everything, still you love me too. When I look at the sky, I see your fingerprints. When I feel the breeze, I feel your gentleness. You crown the earth with mercy, you wrap the world in grace. Still you know my name, still you see my face. Beautiful King, how great you are, ruler of ages, bright morning star. Beautiful King, my soul will sing of the wonder and the glory of my beautiful King. No idol can compare, no treasure can replace the sweetness of your presence, the light upon your face. You are not distant, you are not far. You sit in heaven, yet here in my heart. Let the rhythm carry reverence, let the drums bow low. Let my whole life be a love song everywhere I go. Beautiful King, take all of me, my plans, my dreams, my melody. Beautiful King, let your will be done, till the day I see you face to face in the rising of the sun. Oh, I adore you, I adore you, not for what you give, but for who you are. I adore you, I adore you, beautiful King, beautiful King. Oh, in the quiet, in the quiet, oh, yeah. DJ Jerryman, let the bass roll low. Soft key, soft drums. Let heaven feel near when the day is done and the noise fades out. When the crowds are gone and there's no more shout. In the quiet, you are there, close to not a whispered prayer. In the quiet, I hear you speak, not in power, but in the meek. In the quiet, you draw me near and every fear disappears. No lightning, no fire, just a gentle flame calling softly my hidden name. No pressure, no rush, just holy peace like waves of mercy that never cease. You restore my soul. Broken pieces you make whole. In the provocation, blessings that come suddenly, breakthroughs that arrive unannounced, warm healing without delay. And I step out amongst all men, carry this peace inside my chest, the secret place where I am blessed. In the quiet I meet with you, and every morning love feels new. In the quiet I find you Your realm is a realm. 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 Your realm is your realm. Is a realm of your realm is a realm of your realm is your realm is a realm of your realm is a realm of realm is a realm of yeah your realm is a realm is a realm your realm is a realm of realm is a realm your realm is a realm of your realm is a realm. Your realm is a realm of. Your realm is a realm. Your realm is a realm of. Your realm is a realm. Your realm is a realm. Your realm is a realm of. Your realm is a your realm is a realm of. 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 Your realm is a realm.
Welcome on board.
Your realm is
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do well by giving me a like, share, comment as you join. That means a whole lot to me on this platform. Welcome on board. Let us have some amazing moment of worship. Praise is still on the way. In case if you are waiting for praises, the praise is coming. But before then, they have an amazing moment of worship. Your realm is a realm. The title for this one is In the Quiet. in the quiet. That's the title for this one. The next one I'm going to play now, the title is My Soul Say Yes. Don't go anywhere, the best is here to come. DJ Jerryman live in the studio.
Your realm is a realm of born miracles without provocation. Blessings that come suddenly, breakthroughs that arrive unannounced, bone healing without delay, where bodies change instantly, born favor without negotiation. My soul say yes, my soul say yes. I love it. My soul say yes. Oh yes. My soul say yes. Na 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 na. My soul say yes. Oh no. DJ Jerryman, let the one drop roll. Let the bassline smile. Today we sing with open hearts. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same. Your love steady, it never changed. Through the seasons of my life, through the laughter and the tears, you've been faithful all these years. And my soul says yes, yes to your will. Yes to your will. Yes to your will. Even when it's still, my soul say yes. My soul say yes. Say yes every day. Yes to your will. Lead me, Lord. Yes to your will. I will obey. Yes to your will. My soul say yes. You lifted burdens I could not bear. You answered prayers I spoke in despair. You made a river in desert ground. You turned my world around and around. Oh, so my soul say yes, yes without fear. Yes in the valley, yes on the hill. My soul say yes, loud and clear. Anywhere you send me, I will go still. No chains can hold me, no doubt can bind. You gave me peace deep in my mind. Freedom ringing like island breeze. My heart at rest, my spirit at ease. Say yes in the morning, yes in the night. Yes when the future not in my sight. Yes in the waiting, yes in the test. Your plans for me, always the best. And my soul say yes, yes with a smile. Yes when the road go extra mile. My soul say yes, again and again. You are my savior, you are my friend. Let the guitar dance like mercy. Let the drums clap praise. Let every step I'm taking bring you glory all my day. If you open the door, my soul say yes. If you close the door, my soul say yes. If you bless me more, my soul say yes. If you teach me through less, my soul say yes. Yes to your wisdom, yes to your hand, yes to your hand, yes to the journey, yes to the journey you already planned. Yes to the call, yes to the treasure, worth more than lost. And my soul say yes, forever yes, till my final breath, and nothing less. Oh, my soul say yes. Oh, my soul say yes. To the King of Kings, my righteousness. My soul say yes. Yes, yes, yes. My soul say yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. You whispered my name when I felt forgotten. DJ Jerryman, softly, stay here. I felt unseen, I felt unknown.